But this time, we're going to solve a torque problem in inclined position. Here is the problem. Our given is force with a distance of 6 meters at 45 degrees, 5 newtons with a distance of 3 meters at 45 degrees, 12 newton with the distance of 6 meters, 16 newton with the distance of 8 meters, 20 newton with the distance of 10 meters, and 24 newton with the distance of 12 meters. Our axis of rotation is 10 newtons, so it will be disregarded. Let's solve this. If the axis of rotation is clockwise, the sign that we're gonna use is positive. And if it is counterclockwise, the sign that we're gonna use is negative. When you put this force, the axis of rotation is counterclockwise, so the sign that we're gonna use is negative. The same as the 5 newton, so negative sign. Then 12 newton, when you put this 12 newton, the axis of rotation is clockwise, so we're gonna use positive sign. The same as with 16 newton, 20 newton, and 24 newton. Multiply all the singular terms. Other side. And divide it. And